to clear space in your Gmail account. I don't know if you have seen this kind of message on my screen now. If you have seen it and you didn't do anything, you will stop receiving messages from your Gmail and you will stop sending messages. Nothing will be storing in your Gmail again. So if your own have full, you don't know what to do about it, join me on the screen. Let me show you how to clear up space on your Gmail so that you'll be able to be receiving messages and also be sending emails. Let's go, guys. Clean your Gmail account. I don't know if some of you have gotten this type of message before. They'll say that I will stop getting emails on August 20 because I don't have enough storage again. So starting from August 20, emails sent to me will be bounced back to the sender and can't be recovered. So I need to get more storage. 75% off for 2 months. So guys, if you have gotten this type of message before, all you need to do for you to have space in your Gmail, tap your profile. Once you tap your profile, then you need to tap manage storage. So once you tap manage storage, it will take you to this interface. They will say clean up space. You tap clean up space. So once you tap clean up space, you will see clean up suggested items, spams, email, large photos and video, large files, clean up space by Google Photos, Gmail or Google Drive. So let's start with Google Photos. So they said I need to clean up large photos that is here. So how to clean it? Just start tapping on those photos that you want to clean. So these are my own now. I want to clean these photos now. So you just keep on tapping the photos, keep on tapping them one by one. Tap them one by one. Now anyone that you know that is not useful to you again, you want it to be deleted, just you keep on tapping them. So as I'm tapping them now, it will help me to get space on my page. So I've tapped these ones. The next thing is to delete. So move 11 items to trash. This will remove items from your Google account and places within Google. I understand. Move to trash. So it's deleting them. So I've gotten 3.9 kg back now. Have you seen it? So that is how to clean items on your Google account. This is very, very important. Just go to your Google account. Anything that is no longer relevant to you, you start cleaning them. You understand? Just clean them. See my owns now. So after cleaning them, you have space in your phone. Okay, you have space in your phone and you start getting messages again. Because as the thing is full, some of my messages will not be coming in, but after this cleanup now, you see I'll start getting enough messages. Why I've not cleaned it? Because I want to make video on it so that anybody that is experiencing such thing, maybe you don't know how to go about it, how to remove it, so that you start seeing getting messages. This is how to do it. Just follow this process now and do it. We are good to go. Okay, So that's it, guys. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share and follow for more updates. I love you all.